Hi guys, it's Jordan here from airrest MOLLE and welcome to my channel. If you know me, if you follow me, you know that I love everything tactical related, especially MOLLE pouches, MOLLE system, MOLLE racks, and today we're gonna install, test and review one of them. And I'm talking about the 511 Tactical Vehicle Ready HEXGRID Seat MOLLE cover. And with that, we're also gonna try the HEXGRID Headreast cover. Want to know more about it? Stay tuned! Okay, so the HEXGRID MOLLE seat cover come in a mesh pouch, and in it you're gonna have the seat cover itself. As you can see, this is a platform like this with their own system, which is called the HEXGRID. You will see later in the video, this is not your typical MOLLE webbing attachments. So that's the top. Everything is covered with velcro. Here you have some padded piece, which is gonna be on the front of the vehicle, that we're gonna install it real soon. And that's pretty much it. What you also have in the pouch is two more side straps we will attach here on the side of the seat cover. So it comes in only one size and in only one color, black. And the price is $44.99 on their website. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description so you can check it out by yourself. And about the HEXGRID Headreast cover, this is pretty much the same design with the HEXGRID pattern. One size, one color, black. This one is at $14.99. Once again, links down below. And it also comes with straps to attach around the headrest. And as I said, I love MOLLE stuff. My car is not called the Tactifos for no reasons. And as you can see, I already have MOLLE seat covers. I got them a very long time ago from Russia, I guess, no particular brands. What I'm gonna do right now is to remove one of them, this one on the passenger seat, so that way we're gonna be able to compare the two of them. Let's do that. Alright, so my old MOLLE seat cover is completely removed, and now we're gonna install the HEXGRID MOLLE seat covers, and you're gonna see that it's pretty simple. And the first thing we're gonna do with the cover is to get this out, just two Fastex clips. So that way this will come here and we can already put that in place with this strap, which goes around the headrest, and on this side you have a plastic hook, and as you can see, the whole strap is made of small pieces, small parts, which is adjustments, so it can be installed on every car. And we're gonna just put the hook in this piece of fabric, just like that, and that's the right height for my seat. And now for this part, this is gonna be fitted right there, but before we're gonna get the straps between the two parts of the seat. Then you get them from the back. And there we go. Now we're gonna simply clip them up and get it nice and tight. And voila, the HEXGRID MOLLE seat cover is installed. was pretty quick, pretty simple, and I love the look of it. It feels way less bulky than the one I had, and yeah, just love it. I have just one quick tip for you guys. I had a pretty hard time to get it real tight using the buckles here with the strap. So what I did is to remove the headrest mount here, get the buckles real tight, and then attach it here and apply a bit of force on the strap to get it real tight. And that way you're gonna have a way better results. And as I said, you have more buckles, 2 more buckles, so you can get those points here and put them around the seat and make it even tighter, especially here on the sides. But it doesn't work really good with my seat. They are like on the Forester, the seats really warp the body and the strap just doesn't feel like it fit nicely. But I think it could be useful if you use the MOLLE seat cover on the front of the seat. So then the strap will sit here on the back and it's not gonna be annoying. And now that I have the 2 systems, the old one on my driver's seat and here the 511 tactical HEXGRID on my passenger seat, I will have to choose which one I'm gonna keep. So you know what guys, please tell me in the comments which one is your favorite, which one I should keep, and also why. I will be glad to hear that. Thanks guys. And now I'm gonna put the headrest HEXGRID cover, and after that I'm just gonna attach a few pouches, a few gear equipment on it and see how it goes. And here it is, the seat fully set up with here on the HEXGRID headrests cover. This is another 511 tactical pouch. This is the disposable glove pouch, because as you can see, you have an easy access to a disposable glove, which is perfect for medical or mechanical stuff out there. And then here I just put a carabiner with the 511 tactical gloves as well. And this is just a water bottle pouch, but as you can see, I put it at an angle. And this is a feature that really piqued my interest with that HEXGRID whole system, is that it's not your typical MOLLE webbing system, which you only have vertical webbing, vertical MOLLE attachments, and here you can put it at an angle. I think it totally makes sense here on the MOLLE seat cover, because from the driver seat you can easily access here. We can put a water bottle or a fire extinguisher, so you can grab it really easily from the driver's side. So that's a really nice feature. I love it that you can put pouches at an angle. And here, if you noticed, this is the pouch, the mesh pouch that the seat cover came with, and you can actually reuse it as a pouch on your MOLLE seat cover. If you don't have any pouch yet, you can use this one. This is pretty convenient. For example, I'll have a lot of straps for my recovery boards. Can keep them here nice and tight. So that is a seat fully outfitted with the 511 tactical HEXGRID vehicle ready system.
And another feature which can be useful is the velcro on the platform. As you can see, you can directly attach rip-away velcro pouches on it, or you can simply use it to display your favorite patches.
Alright guys, so now that you've seen the install, you've seen all the pouches we can put in it, all the features, what do I honestly think about those 511 Tactical HEXGRID Seat and Headrest cover? What I think about it is that they are really useful, great utility stuff for your car. It totally makes sense for an overland rig, for an expedition rig, for a working vehicle. That's absolutely a fact. This is so useful. You can put a ton of stuff on the back. You can also, as I said, put them here on the front of your seat, so you have an even better access. The Velcro on it is pretty useful as well, so you can stick your rip-away pouch directly on it. This is way better than putting a platform on the MOLLE seat cover and then the pouch, so this is way better. Also, I really love the HEXGRID design, which allow you to put your pouches at an angle, and it totally makes sense to grab stuff on the back of your seats when you're actually on your seat. This is way better, more convenient. I love it. Plus, I really think the prices are not that high for that kind of product. The quality is great, that's usual with 511 Tactical. Another thing I really like is that the included mesh pouch can be reused. It's not just some packaging you will throw away after. You can really use it on the product you bought or for something else in your drawer, etc. So that's a really good point. I love the idea. But that being said, there's still a few cons, two actually. First of all, the look. I really love the look on the back of the HEXGRID MOLLE seat cover itself. I think on the back it looks way better than the one I have. But on the front of the seat, I'm not really sure. I don't really like the padded thing at the bottom of the seats. And with the headrest cover, I know all these straps is really bulky and it stands out. It's not looking that great. Maybe that's because I have a gray interior, so it stands out even more. And I know that for some of you it's gonna be a ridiculous con because you don't really care about how it looks. But I do, and I think I'm not the only one, so this is something to keep in mind. I also loved on mine the fact that they actually cover the seat. It kind of protect them. Another thing, it's still about this padded thing at the bottom of the seat, is that you can actually feel it at the bottom of your back when you sit. So once again, maybe that's because of the design of the Subaru Forester seats. Maybe it's gonna be better on other cars, but here I can feel it. And honestly, I don't really like it. So that's it for the pros and the cons. I think there are really great solution. You have everything. It's really quick, simple to put on the car, on your vehicle. So don't forget to check all the links down below in the description. I'm gonna link the HEXGRID seat cover, the headrest cover, but also the gloves and the pouch I show you on the video. So feel free to check it out. If you like this video and this review, please subscribe to my channel to not miss any other awesome reviews. You can also check my Instagram accounts and my website for even more awesome content. So thank you guys for watching and see you next week.